Hi guys, so I'm in my backyard. Wish you all a happy Sunday. Today is July 12th and we actually have a lot of birds in our backyard. We see them like outside the window whenever we come out. We sometimes even see them in our front yard. So when we came into our backyard today, my mom spotted two big bird nests. We don't know if it's regular birds, like small ones, or eagles. But we hear a lot of chirping. There's actually a lot of chirping going around right now. I don't know if you guys can hear, but if you do, yes, we have a lot of birds. So there's one up all the way there. There's a big one, and that one's more easier to see. And then we got another one over there on our apple tree. This one's kind of more hard to see because it's like kind of covered by branches, but we can spot it. And we don't know if there's eggs in it because they're way too high for us to see. We don't know if there's eggs in it or the eggs already hatched and they all left their nest. So actually, we actually have in our backyard a birdhouse, like a small little birdhouse they can like go to. And actually, I'm looking at that right now, and there's a small little bird at the bottom of it. So, yeah, we got two bird nests. I'm kind of hoping that we have little baby birds, but I actually never saw them. Sometimes I see small birds and I think that they're babies, but they're just like tiny birds. You can see the birdhouse right there. And at the bottom of it, there's a tiny bird. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a tiny little birdie there. So cute. So yeah, we spotted two bird nests. And yeah, I think that's beautiful. So yeah, hope you all liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, click that subscribe button. Bye!